Okay, the video ended because my card had filled up, so I just deleted a bunch of the videos, and we're back online. I know that I finished the question, so I'm just going to kind of take you through. I think it cut off around here, so let me just explain what we did here. 3x times that gives me 2.048x. 2 times that gives me 1.365. And then I collect like terms. So I bring the 2.48048 to the other side. I bring the 2 over to this side. 1x minus 2.048x gives me negative 1.048x. And then 1.365 plus 2 gives me that. I divide those two and I get that. Now, I've had students say, Mr. Young, that answer is negative. Do we have to check? And the answer is no. And think about why the answer might be no. The original question is not a logarithm, it's an exponential. And the domain for an exponential is all reals. So whatever we get, and that answer is correct. So for part F, looks a little challenging. I'm hoping you might think, let's bring the exponents into the logs first. So we get log base 5 of x squared equals log base 5 of 4 cubed. Now you should see, similar logs, they're the same, I can just forget them. So now x squared equals 4 cubed, x squared equals 4 times 4 times 4, I think that's 64. So x equals 8, and I'm not even going to bother with the negative 8 because we know can't have a negative there. So that's the only answer. Okay, so that's that page. Let's go to this page. We've got, I think, 2 more to do. We're going to do G and H. I is just really similar to part E, but more difficult because it involves decimals. So take a look at I. We might maybe try that one online together when we meet up. So let's do G and H. Again, no base there, so you assume it's 10. I can put those together as a single log. So log base 10 of x times x plus 15 equals 2. Now, let's change it to an exponential. That's the base, that's the exponent. So it's 10 squared equals x times x plus 15. 100 equals x squared plus 15x. Looks like a quadratic. X squared plus 15x minus 100. And then I'll factor that. 2 numbers that multiply to be negative 100 and add to be 15. 2 numbers are 20 and 5. 20 and 5. So x plus 20, x minus 5. So x equals negative 20, x equals 5. And of course, I can't use the negative one because that would make both those logs negative. So that's the only answer. This last one, another real easy change of base formula. So x equals, there's the base, so it's log base 2 of 10. And I'd like you to do that one on your calculator. I'm not going to use the computer one this time. I'm going to use this one, my own. So it's log base, so it's math, change of base, which was A. Then I put the 2 and then the 10, and I get 3.32. Okay, and like I said, that one's a real challenging one just because of the nasty decimals. But let's leave it for now, and maybe we'll try that one together, or maybe I'll leave that one as a stumper. Someone can get a solution and email it to me and get some extra credit. Yeah, maybe we'll do it that way. I'll let you guys try that for extra credit, showing all your work. Okay, so anyone can do that. Maybe it'll be a bit of a race once I post this up. Like the first 5 to get it in and are correct give me extra credit. Or I give you extra credit, sorry. Anyway, there's the homework. All right, catch you guys later.